All right, it's the end of March, and if you've been following me, you know that towards the end of a month or beginning of a new month, I unveil the two coins that I got via the two silver coins that I got via the auto ship that I'm on. So I've been doing this since July of what are we in 25? July of 22. So it's going to be 3 years come this July. I've been consistent, and that's the name of the game. So yes, I did a video, and I'll link it below this video of me going to my silver mine and picking up my 2 silver ounces. Right? So here's the envelope that I got. Right? And yesterday, it was 80 degrees here in Jersey. Today, let's see if I can show you guys. It's actually 53. So actually feels a little bit colder than that. But anyway, so I want to show you my March coins, right? So let's get to it. I'm going to open up my my package here. And let's see what I got. I honestly don't know what I got this time. I purposely didn't look, so you know, I can show you my real reaction to getting the 2 silver coins. But here they are. We're getting there, and there they are. And let's see what I got. All right, you and me. Let's see what we got. And oh, this is sweet. So I'm looking at the back of it. It's the 2023 Barbados, and I believe it's a Trident in front of it, which I know I have one of these. Look at that. That is nice. That is beautiful. It says $1. 2023 Barbados, and here's the other side of it. Let me see if I can get that in. That's their coat of arms. All right, so let me see what the other one is, and I'll say it again. I typically get 2 of the same. If I get something different, that'd be a surprise, and I did not. I got 2, so 2 of the Barbados. If I can, I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm trying to get, there we go. That's the front, the back, obverse, reverse, front and back. I still know what the difference is. I just know one's the front, one's the back. All right, so those are 2 coins I got for the month of March. So if you look right here to the, well, to my left, maybe your right, but that's my opt-in page. If you want to get involved in collecting silver, buying silver, if you opt into that page, and the website's right there, stackingsilver.info. If you opt in, I'll get a notification that you did opt in, and then I'll send you a free gram of silver. Free gram of silver, right? Silver, not anything else that's associated with the word gram. Silver. All right, so I'll just need your mailing address, a U.S. mailing address. I'm not shipping to overseas, just U.S. So that's all I got. So look forward to the next month's silver unveiling. I won't know what they are, but like I said earlier in the video, I'm not going to look. So I'll we'll open them up together. So with that, enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.